I've had so many patients come in and tell me the same dream, and I've had the same dream about losing all your teeth. And it's frightening. It's so real when you're dreaming that you actually feel like you're losing your teeth. So these patients come in, they say, I had these dreams, I'm losing my teeth, it's freaking me out. And they show me their teeth and they're concerned because they're chipping and they're wearing. You can see that the teeth are becoming thinner. And I agree with them. It actually does look like your teeth are wearing out. So in cases like this, oftentimes the solution is to do something called a veneer on a tooth. In cases like these, oftentimes what we're looking at are cosmetic treatments and cosmetic services to kind of fix how the teeth look. And the look is really what's triggering people to be fearful that their teeth are breaking down and they're gonna fall out. When we do these cosmetic treatments, a lot of times it ends up being veneers or crowns. And of course, it makes the teeth look amazing. You can get that Hollywood smile if that's what you want. Really what we're doing is we're repairing the teeth to give them more longevity. A lot of times they're so broken down and they're cracked and they're thinning that they literally would be breaking apart and breaking off if there wasn't an intervention. So long term, if you're having teeth that are wearing down or chipping, or you're concerned about the appearance of them, and you're thinking maybe there's a cosmetic treatment, but you don't want to be so vain about it, that's where we come in. We can help you decide what treatments are appropriate for where you're at, help prevent your teeth from getting any worse if they are breaking down, and give you the longevity that everybody wants.